Hi guys, this is Anil Bishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, we have discussed few antonym in our previous videos. If you have not watched our previous videos, then go and watch our previous videos. In this section, we will discuss few more antonym. So let's start today's discussion. Prosperity, adversity, poverty or misfortune. His adversity forced him to do certain things. Poverty forced Ram to work in industry. Misfortune, Sam's misfortune drove him to some criminality. Then prosperity, his prosperity brought goodness in him. Proud, humble or modest, his humbleness won the heart of many. His modest behavior won the heart of a nation. Proud, it was a proud moment after getting the Olympic medal. Prove, disapprove, confute or deny. Prove, one has to prove that somebody is criminal in the court of law. He disapproved my action. He confuted the action of other. Deny, he denied of doing theft. Provide, consume, spend or spend. He provided us with fruits. We consumed the fruits. He spent the rest of the money. He spent whatever money he had. Protest, permission, sanction or abate. Protest, anti-CAA protest held in Delhi. Permission, police gave permission to act. Sanction, government sanctioned the export. Abate, similarly you can write punctual, unpunctual and late. Gandhiji was always punctual. Students, unpunctuality irritated the teacher. The boss was late for his presentation. Punish, reward or recompense. Punished, he was punished for his work. Rewarded, employees were rewarded for their work. Recompense. Then purchase, sell or exchange. Purchased, he purchased a home. He sold the home. He exchanged items with money. Pure, impure, adulterate or unchaste. His actions were pure. His actions were impure. Certain people adulterate in the items in grocery. Unchaste. Her unchaste act really brought disfame to her family. Pursuit, idleness. Pursuit, he took it as a pursuit. His idleness brought sorrow. Quality, quantity. Quality and quantity you can write. Quantity, shortage, difficult, quality. Then quantity, shortage. The items were having shortage. Deficit, certain medicines were deficient. Quality of the medicines were questioned. Quarrel, agreement, peace and harmony. He quarreled with him. India and Pakistan signed on the agreement. There was a peace treaty between India and Russia. We are living in harmony with our neighbors. Radical, tentative or inadequate. His thoughts were totally radical. His actions were tentative. Inadequate action drove the district into indiscipline. Then rapidity, slow, inertia or delay. Rapidity, he acted in rapidity. Slow action of the police helped the thief to escape. Inertia, moment of inertia was there in the Titanic which hit the iceberg. delay. His delayed actions brought defame to his family. Raw, ripe. Raw mangoes are done as chutney. Ripe mangoes are sold in high cost. Readiness, reluctant or aversion. His readiness quite fantastic. He was reluctant to act. His risk aversion couldn't be changed. Then rebellion, loyalty, patriotism or devotion. The rebellion of 1857 was crushed brutally by British. Loyalty. People in armed forces are totally loyal to the nation. Patriotism. People in defense forces are patriotic. Devotion. Devotion to duty by Gandhiji was always taught. Then rebuke, compliment, applaud or praise. He rebuked for his work. He was complimented for his work. Boss applauded the work of the subordinate. Then he praised him for his actions. Recover, sink or grow. He recovered from the disease. Sink. The ship sank. Then grow. He grew with all his qualities. Then reduce, increase, raise or promote. We reduced the consumption of sugar. He increased the consumption of vegetable. He raised his son well. Promote. A particular thing promoted by a corporation. Refresh, tire or exhort. Certain acts were refreshed, certain acts were tiring. Rama was exhausted after heavy work. Refuse, agree, grant or admit. He refused to go. He agreed to do. He granted permission. He admitted him to hospital. Rejoice, mourn, sorrow or grieve. Rejoice. People of the nation rejoice the India's glory. Mourn. Certain people mourned his death. After the death of the father, the children sorrowed. The family grieved after his death. Relation, difference, enmity or dissociation. His relation with Pakistan was good. Difference. Whatever difference we have with Pakistan we can sort out. Enmity. India and Pakistan is having enmity. Disassociation. He was disassociated with certain action. Release, grasp, confine or restrain. He was released on bail. His grasp of the subject was good. Confine. He was confined to the jail. He was restrained from action. Religious, secular. India is a secular nation. Pakistan is a religious nation. Remarkable, ordinary or normal. He was a remarkable person. He was an ordinary person. His actions were normal. Remember, forget or overlook. People forgot certain act of the criminal. Overlook. Police overlooked certain evidence. We remember Mahatma Gandhi. Remorse, contentment or gratification. The criminal remorse for his action, contentment. Certain people do say for the contentment of soul, gratification. People gratified for certain action, renounce, adopt, proclaim, avow, own. He renounced his post. He adopted the son. He proclaimed his greatness. Then own and avow. Similarly, repair, damage or break. He repaired the stool. Damage. He damaged the bike. Break. He applied brake before accident. Repeal, rectify, endorse or confirm. The government repealed the act. Rectify. Teacher rectified the mistake. Endorse. Sachin endorsed Ganguly's point of view. Confirm. Doctor confirmed the disease. Reproach, praise, honor and applaud. He reproached him for his work. He got praise for his work. He got honor for his victory. The government applauded Olympians. Repulse, permit, further or promote. He repulsed for the action. Permit. Teacher permitted him. Further actions were taken. Promote. Celebrities promote certain brands. Repulse, refute, disrepute. He brought repute to the family. He brought disrepute to the family. Rescue, risk, endanger or imperil. He rescued him from the disaster. He risked his life for helping others. Endanger, he put his life in endanger to save others. Similarly, imperil. Then resident, guest or visitor. He is the resident of Delhi. Guest, he is our guest. Visitor, visitors need to be treated well. Resign, hold, continue or remain. Resign, he resigned from his post. He hold on to his post. He continued his actions. He remained in the solitary confinement. Responsible, arbitrary or unfettered. He was a responsible person. His actions were arbitrary. He dealt all the things in unfettered manner. Resolute, irresolute. His resolute action brought fame to him. His irresolute spirit brought sorrow for him. Retain, give up, surrender, abandon. He retained his enthusiasm. He never gave up after failing many a times. He didn't surrender even after loss. Abandon, never abandon your dreams. So with this, it came to the end of today's video. If you like today's video, then do give me a thumbs up. And sir and ma'am, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Thank you very much.